Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the smart video function to save your battery by stopping your video and not showing other participant videos when your device is face down. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on audio and video, then scroll down till you find the smart video option. By turning on this function, you are going to stop your video and not show other participant videos when your device is face down in order to save your battery. So click on this button next to it, thereby updating the status of this function. It's now turned on. You can turn it off anytime by clicking on the same icon. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.